In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money in spot trading while the price of Bitcoin is declining or is on a downtrend. So you understand that in spot trading, usually when the price of Bitcoin is declining or when Bitcoin is on a downtrend, it will affect the entire market. So to do this, you have to learn how you can make money while the price of Bitcoin or the price of these other markets are falling down. Because you understand that with spot trading, you basically buy low and sell high. So for example, if you get the price of Bitcoin, you buy here and you're expected to sell somewhere over there. And basically what you gain is the difference in the price movement. So for example, you buy here and you sell here, you're basically getting 12% return on your investment, right? So usually where the problem is that sometimes you won't always get the market appreciating in prices. So you will also get markets when it's declining in prices. And the challenge is that when you have these markets falling, you won't make any money. So you will have to wait until the market reverses to an uptrend again. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money while the price of Bitcoin is declining in value. So that means that even though Bitcoin price is going down, you still can make money. And to do this, I'm just going to get you started right now. So to do this, you just need to buy what we call inverse coins. So what are inverse coins? When you head over to your coins search right here, you're just going to write something like this down. Now when you write down, you get BTC down USDT, you get ADA down USDT, you get Ethereum down USDT, and you get Link down USDT and BNB down USDT. So these are what we call inverse coins, and these inverse coins are programmed to go against the mother coins or the major coins of this, right? You get so BTC down USDT is an inverse coin for BTC USDT. So right, so that means whenever the price of BTC is going up or is on an uptrend, the price of BTC down will always be doing an opposite. So it will always be on a downtrend. So that means you can trade these coins inversely. So right now this is the price of BTC USDT right here, as you can see. So when we go over search here and we write down, and let's just check on BTC down USDT, because this is an inverse coins. And again, as you can see, it is making a complete opposite of BTC USDT. So this is an inverse coin for BTC USDT. So what does it mean? For example, if you can notice here, let me go to BTC USDT, and enter. So what does it mean? It means that if, for example, you wanted to trade BTC USDT, and right here BTC USDT you can see was on a downtrend for some good days. You can notice this area, BTC USDT was on a downtrend for some good time. So what you would have done in this way, you would have just switched to BTC, just write down. So you would have just gone for BTC down USDT. And sure enough, if you went for that, you could see that at this point right here in time, BTC down USDT was on an uptrend. So perhaps you couldn't have bought BTC USDT, but you'd have switched to buy BTC down USDT, and you just buy here, and you just buy maybe right here, and you sell right here. And certainly enough, if you did that, you would gain something more than 22% ROI in just the shortest period of time. So this is how you'd make money while the price of some of these coins are falling down. So let's check on other coins. For example, again, we write down. You can see ADA down. Let's check on ADA down. So this is the price of ADA down. So it is falling in prices. So it is falling in price. In other words, it's on a downtrend. So if we check on ADA USDT, let me just remove down, and I'm just going to hit enter. And again, as you can see, this is a complete opposite of what is happening on an inverse coin. So whenever you notice, for example, in this area, you can see that ADA USDT was on a downtrend. So if you notice this area, you would just go for ADA. You would look for ADA down to just add that. Let me just add down and search. So if you notice this on a downtrend, you would have come on ADA down USDT, and you just, and if you came here, you can see right here it was on a good uptrend. So you would have come both here and let the price move up, and maybe right here you sell, and what you gain is again the price is again the price movement percentage, right? So this was even more than 36% in just shortest period of time. So this is how you can do Binance trading while the markets are declining in value. So this is not about futures, this is not about margin trading, but you're just buying on spot market using inverse coins. So this is it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be happy to see you again